Rene Munoz here with the law offices of Franco Munoz, wanting to talk to you about the different types of hearings that you might see when you get a notice of hearing. So sometimes I get clients and they call me and they say, Rene, I have a hearing, but I don't know what this means. What's going to be happening at this hearing? So you need to understand what the types of hearings are. The first one is called a status conference. It's a relatively low pressure type of hearing. Not much usually happens there. Sometimes there might be some motions that are going to be argued before judges, but nothing is really going to be set for trial. The point of that is to bring the two attorneys together and have a discussion about whatever issues need to be resolved in the case. It might be that we need another doctor to examine you for med-legal purposes to determine the value of the case. It might be because there's a question as to which discovery, for example, medical records need to be presented to a doctor that one side might be objecting to. It might be because there's evidence that's out there that we're trying to get. It might be simply because the defense attorney or the applicant attorney want to try to settle the case, even though the case is not complete. There's a whole litany of reasons why you might be set for status conference. Sometimes it might be because they want to join a different party. There's a ton of reasons, and it's usually a good way to get the parties to talk about the case. Sometimes it results in settlement, sometimes it doesn't. But it's at least an opportunity to rattle the cage, have the other side talk to one another, and figure out what's happening with the case so that you can move it forward and have it hopefully settle in the near future. Now, there are other types of hearings, but we'll get to those. If you want to talk to us, subscribe down below. If you like what we have to say, give us a like. We'll appreciate any sort of questions or feedback that you might have, or any questions that you might have about any type of hearing. Give us a call, 510-257-4141. We're Franco Munoz here in Oakland, California. Thanks.